Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Popsugar Must Have box for fall 2018. This is their second quarterly box that they put out. They started in the summer and this is their second one, and I'm super excited to open it up. It is $75 a quarter. If you sign up for an annual subscription like I have, it ends up being about $67.50 per quarter, which is kind of expensive in comparison to FabFitFun, so we'll see if I let it renew after the year mark, but I still have 2 more boxes after this one. I have seen a lot of the spoilers, but I'm excited to actually touch and feel the things in my hands. If you're into subscription unboxings, go ahead and subscribe because I have a lot coming. I've filmed a BoxyCharm, Love with Food, and I'm about to film a Sticky Club. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. So it's a lifestyle box, and these quarterly boxes are supposed to be mimicked after their limited edition boxes that they used to have. So it's in the really nice box. It has magnetic closure, so I like to use these. However, the past 2 have come kind of ripped or torn, but they're still good. They're great to store stuff in, so I'm excited about them. And in the inside, looks like this, and it says, "Happiness delivered, Popsugar." So let me go ahead and pull the booklet out. What's on the inside? So there's the booklet, and then it has some codes inside to help you save for discounts. Discount codes, that's what they're called, I can't think. If you do hear some wind in the video, I apologize. We're feeling some of the effects of Hurricane Florence right now. Nothing too bad at this point. We probably won't get hit that hard, but definitely getting windy here. So I'll go ahead and just pull out the first item. And this, let me pull out this so I can give you retail values. Good, they do have retail values. So this is by Soya and Kyo. It is a Larisa Scarf, and it retails for $75. So technically it's the value of the box, but I would never actually go and spend $75 on a scarf. It feels so soft. Wow, very, very soft. So let's see if you'll be able to see the pattern. That's kind of what it looks like, and then on that side it's just kind of flipped. I don't know which is the front and which is the back, but it's really soft and it's really long. You won't be able to see. There you go. It's really long. I'm super excited to wear that. I guess I could demonstrate it, not that it kind of clashes with what I'm wearing right now, but that's what it looks like. Super cute. I'm excited. I like to get new scarves, especially this one's like, I feel like a lot of times you get like lightweight, really flimsy scarves, and that does nothing in the winter. I live where we do have cold winters, coldish winters, not compared to the north, but I just don't want those little flimsy scarves that I'm never really actually going to be able to wear in the winter. So super excited to have that. Let's see what the next thing is. So the next thing is by Jules and Smith. It's in this little bag, and it is the Jane cuff. It retails for $90. $90, okay. Would not pay $90 for a cuff. I probably wouldn't buy a cuff, if I'm totally honest. It's not really something I would spend my money on. I don't really wear bracelets. So this is an item we got to choose if we were annual subscribers. I think only if you're an annual subscriber, but maybe, no, I think everybody can choose. And so I picked the gold. You could also pick rose gold or silver. So that's what it looks like. Now I have tiny wrists, so let's see what this is gonna look like. Oh, okay, so it actually kind of fits me. It's a little bit loose. I'd probably have to wear it more like at that part of my arm for it to actually stay. If you have, that makes me think though, like if you look, there's not, I mean, I guess there's some. If you have bigger wrists, this is not gonna fit you, because normally these are way bigger than this. But maybe I will wear that. That's actually kind of cute. I don't know, we'll see. I'm not as mad about it as I thought that I may be. All right, let's see what's next. And they talk about the stuff inside as well. All right, next, and I'm super excited about this. This is by Tarte Cosmetics, the Tight and Bright Clay Multi-Mask, which retails for $40. And this is what the package looks like. Now, I don't want to open it because it has a shelf life of 6 months, but I will show you on the picture. So there's the 2 sides, and one is the brighten side and one is the tight side. So you put the clay where you want to help tighten pores, and then you put the other one on where you want to brighten your skin, so you kind of put some in some areas. So I'm so excited to use that because that is something that you could definitely just go to Sephora and buy. Ugh, I live in the city, I apologize about that noise. So for $40, I think that's great. My hair keeps falling. If you could please stop. All right, the next item I'm seeing is this here. This is a Tribe Alive marble velvet tray, and this retails for $58. I would never pay $58 for a tray, and that's kind of what's nice about receiving these Popsugar boxes. They do have some higher value. So this is what it looks like. You do have to pinch the snaps together, so let me go ahead and do that so you can see the effect. You do get some really nice quality stuff in these boxes, but it's not stuff that I would, oh. Well, that snap won't stay shut, so let's see. Do you have to, huh. These snaps are not staying shut. That's really frustrating. So that's useless. Yeah, that's not really a tray, it's just a piece of leather, and it's real leather, which if you're against that, then that's really frustrating. That the snaps, I'm sorry, but for $58 these snaps should shut, so this basically is just gonna go in the trash because that's frustrating to me. That is a waste of money and not happy. If you're paying $75 or for me $67, like compared to a FabFitFun, that stuff should work. And I don't feel like reaching out to customer service about that because they'll send me another one that does the exact same thing, I'm sure. So the next thing is from Umbra. Oh, I skipped something. And it is a pendant mini scarf hanger, and it retails for $11.99. That's what it looks like. So you can hang sunglasses, umbrellas. I think it's super cute. I don't really have copper in my apartment, but I can definitely make it work. I have more gold, but I think this is a cute decoration. Even if you just hung it like this, or you could put necklaces on it, you could put anything on it. I think that's really cool. And I think it's a fair price to say that it's $11.99. I probably wouldn't spend it, but I think it's a decent price. All right, next thing I'm also not excited about, and this is the Casery phone pocket, and it's in rose gold, and this retails for $15. I'm not even gonna open it. I'll probably give it to somebody. I have a black case on my phone. I don't like to have all the extras. I don't have a pop socket. I like it to fit in my pocket. I don't put my cards in my phone. I feel like they'll fall out. So this is useless to me. I will not use this. For some people, they may be really excited about this. For me, not worth it. The next thing I'm seeing is by Lipstick Queen. It is Method in the Madness Manic Mauve lipstick for $25. Open it up. So this is like a marbled lip based on what I'm seeing. Oh, okay. I opened it up the wrong way. So that's what the tube looks like. Really cool design, kind of goes with everything. That definitely does not look as marbled as it did in the on the post by My Subscription Addiction. Let me see if I can get that up close. It's gonna focus. Please focus. It's just, I mean, it's a pretty lip color, but it's not marbled. I mean, like, it's barely marbled on one side. That's what it looks like. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but it definitely looks splotchy, and I feel like you'd have to blend it into your lips because there's like purple in the middle and like this other color on the outside. Maybe it looks a little bit more marbled now, but I don't know. I'll try it out and see. I didn't necessarily need another lipstick, but I'm not mad about it. And then the last item that's not a special extra, which are freebies essentially, is from Hum Nutrition Killer Nail Supplements for $10. There are 30 in here, and they're basically vegan biotin pills. I'll try them out. I've never used biotin before, and I know my sister's tried some biotin stuff and it's broken her out, so you do need to be careful when you're using supplements to see. You may want to keep other aspects of your like skincare routine or hair care, nail care routine the same so you can see if they're actually having an effect. I don't know, I guess 30, how many, I guess you just take one a day. Does it say? Doesn't say instructions, but I'm guessing you take one a day, so maybe you'll see results in 30 days, not sure. But not mad about that. Definitely not excited about the tray. And then there are 3 special extras in this box, which are actually, it's actually kind of exciting that they have, and they have good special extras. So the first one is by Bliss, and these are makeup wipes, and there are 30 wipes. I'm running low on makeup wipes. I don't use them to take my makeup off, but I do use them to like wipe my hands when I like get foundation on them or lipstick and stuff, so I'll be excited to try these out for that. Then by Clorox, we have a Zero Splash bleach packs. And on top, there's a lavender sachet. Oh my goodness, I love that. Okay, and then here basically you have, and there's like lavender specks all over it. So you get 12 count Clorox bleach packs. I don't ever use bleach in my laundry, and I'm kind of afraid to use these, so I might have to call my mom to see how to use them, or let me know in the comments, how do you use these? Because I'm naughty and I put my darks and my whites and my colors all together, and I do my laundry once a week. I don't separate my loads, so I'm not sure if I'd be able to use these. Can you use these with clothes other than white? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, because I've never ever used bleach in my laundry, so I'm not really sure how to use those. But they're a cool thing to get in a box. You can tell from the last box they had like Miss Meyer's products in it, and this box they have Clorox. You can tell that this is probably geared towards an older audience. I'm not calling anybody old, but I feel like FabFitFun is a little bit younger. They want more like teenagers and early 20s, which I'm early 20s. That's probably who FabFitFun is probably gearing themselves more to, whereas I feel like Popsugar is definitely gearing towards more like 30, 40, 50-year-olds. That's just my interpretation. And their box does cost more, so that does make sense because older people usually have more money. And the next one is by Liz Claiborne, and they are a pair of sunglasses. And apparently the retail value, according to my subscription addiction, is $25. They are a pair of Aviators. Let's take the protection off here. So that's what they look like. That's what the detailing on the side looks like. I don't know if I can pull these off. Where are my eyebrows? I don't know. That's my problem with these sunglasses, is that they eat my eyebrows. I'll have to take a look at these in the mirror to see if they'll work for me. If not, I'll give them to somebody, but because they're a special extra, I mean, this is a really nice special extra in my opinion. So anyway, I'm not mad at this box. I'm disappointed that the tray didn't really work out. If you got this box, let me know if you were able to get these to snap together, because I'm really sad about that. I do think it's really cute, but if it won't stay snapped, I don't really know what the point is. I guess I could like put glue in the snaps and close it and hold it, and maybe that would work, but it is a little frustrating that I can't get that to work. And I won't use the case, but maybe my sister will want it, or I could put it in a giveaway in the future. Anyway, I will leave the information for Popsugar in the information below if you're interested in subscribing. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And like I said, go ahead and subscribe if you're into unboxing videos, because I post so many unboxing videos. I spend way too much money on subscription boxes, but hey, they're fun. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day.